Cricket, stay there. Cricket, cricket, cricket. I know. It's night-night. You ready to listen? Ready to listen? Wanna do Star Trek? Star Trek? Oh, that wasn't very good. Let me do another one. Oh, see, I'm sucking right now. Here, let's. Do a wolf whistle? Here, wolf whistle. Cricket, come here. Come here. Good bird. Good bird. Good bird. Good bird. Let's do this one. We'll do atoms. We'll do atoms. Good bird, Cricket. Good bird. Pretty bird. Do atoms? Do atoms? Good bird. Good bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Do Star Trek. Do Trek. You want to do Star Trek? All right, this is going to be the command. We're not ready for it now, but this is going to be your prompt. Ready? Your prompt is space, the final frontier. And you go, all right, no. Get up. Space, the final frontier. Ready? Star Trek? Trek? Ready? What? What? Good bird. Good bird. Good bird. Pretty bird. Good bird. All right. Cricket. 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 Want to do atoms? Want to do atoms? No. Get up top. Want to do atoms? Wolf whistle? What do you want, Cricket? Cricket. Oh, I'll get ya. Here we go.